The UGREEN AX900 Wi-Fi adapter provides exceptional high-speed internet access with its support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, ensuring smooth streaming and low latency performance. The dual-band capability allows seamless connectivity with speeds of up to 600 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band and 287 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band. With built-in drivers for Windows 10 and 11, installation is hassle-free, eliminating the need for additional downloads and making it user-friendly. This adapter functions both as a receiver and transmitter, allowing a desktop computer to connect to a wireless network and share internet access with other devices simultaneously. Security is a priority, with support for multiple encryption modes, providing peace of mind while browsing online. The adapter's compact design makes it a convenient choice for enhancing wireless connectivity without taking up much space.